Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Binance US and enable withdrawals securely. Full guide step by step clearly. To install Binance US, start by visiting the official Binance US website. Locate the download link for the mobile app or desktop application. If using a mobile device, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. For desktop users, download the application directly from the website. Once the download is complete, open the app or installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After installation, open the Binance US app. Select Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Read and accept the terms of service. After that, click Create Account. You will receive a verification email. Open your email and click on the verification link. Return to the app and log in using your email and password. For added security, enable two-factor authentication. Navigate to the security section in your account settings. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. This could be via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now, link your bank account or credit/debit card for deposits. Go to the funding section from your account dashboard. Select Deposit and choose your payment method. Follow the provided instructions to complete the linking process. To enable withdrawals securely, revisit the Security section. Check that your two-factor authentication is active. Consider enabling withdrawal whitelist for your address. This ensures that withdrawals can only go to specified addresses. To do this, find the Withdrawal Whitelist option and follow the prompts. You can add your wallet addresses for cryptocurrencies here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.